South Africa Tour of Australia 2025, third and last one-day match at Great Barrier Reef Arena, Mackay. Australia won the toss, elected to bat first. Australia 50 overs, 431 runs, lost by 2 wickets. Tabi's hit is the highest scorer, 142 runs, 103 balls. Then South Africa team best bowling spell. Keshav Maharaj 10 overs, no maiden, 57 runs, 1 wicket taken. South Africa 24.5 overs, 155 runs, all out. Dewal Davis is the highest scorer, 49 runs, 28 balls. Then Australia team best bowling spell. Cooper Connolly 6 overs, no maiden, 22 runs, 5 wickets taken. Australia won by 278 runs in this match. Player of the match Travis Head, player of the series Keshav Maharaj. South Africa won the 3-match ODI series against Australia 2-1. Congratulations South Africa cricket team.